How do I know if my GFCI outlet is bad? Hey guys. In today's video, I will show you how to test a GFCI outlet with a multimeter. A GFCI outlet is typically found in bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor areas, mainly in places where there is a presence of water. It has two buttons, reset and test. To cut all power to the circuit, press the test button. To turn the power back on, press the reset button. I will demonstrate this later in the video. There is also a green light indicating power is flowing to the outlet. Turn the dial on the multimeter to the voltage setting. On this outlet, the neutral is the left side with the larger slot. The hot is the right slot. The hole below is the ground slot. Insert the black probe lead into the left side and the red probe lead into the right side. The reading indicates approximately 120 volts, the appropriate voltage for this outlet, indicating that everything functions correctly. When you press the test button, the power should shut off, causing the voltage reading to drop close to zero. This is a good sign. If you press the reset button, the power turns back on, and the voltage goes back up to around 120 volts. Another test you can do is check the voltage on the neutral and ground slots. Insert the black probe lead into the ground slot and the red probe lead into the neutral slot. As expected, the voltage is close to zero, since you're not connected to the hot slot. Now insert the black probe lead into the ground slot and the red probe lead into the hot slot. The voltage should be around 120 volts. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.